what is the task which you're going to do now? Progressive group task, right? So when you start, this is the first outdoor task in GTO series, and the first two tasks are indoor. It is group discussion and group planning exercise. In both the tasks, you will be sitting at one place and discussing. This is the first outdoor where you will do some sort of a physical activity. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now to start with, as we're going to start with this. Right? Do not have any. I don't think so that you have any problem on the brief completely, but I have to be problem. Ask me once I finish the brief. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. As you do not have natural obstacle like broken ground, nala, etc. What we have here is we have drawn two white lines and declared the ground between these two lines as out of bound. Hence, it becomes an obstacle to all of you, which you have to cross along with the load which will be given to you. To help you bridge across this structure, we will also be provided certain helping materials like planks, ropes, and which you can use while taking these obstacles. The certain structures are placed in outer bound area which you can use. Clear? Yes, sir. Now to clear this task or to do this task, you have to follow few sets of rules. And to be precise, there are 5 rules. The first rule is called group rule, which means all of you, your helping material and the load must get across the first obstacle before you move towards the next obstacle. The second rule, it is called the color rule, which means beside the ground between two white lines, any structure which is painted red is placed out of bound for all of you, your helping material and the load. Any structure which is painted blue is placed out of bound for helping material and the load. And any structure which is painted white is placed in bond for all of you, your helping material and the load. Clear?
Yes, sir.
I would like all of you to follow these rules, otherwise what will happen? The individual concerned whosoever break the rule will go back to the same position where he was or she was just before the rule was made. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Third rule is called the distance rule, which means any distance which is 4 feet or more must be bridged across and not to be jumped across. Any infringement made to this rule will reverse back to the same situation we were in before the rule was made. The fourth rule is called the rule of rigidity, which means no two rigid helping material can be tied together to make an extension. And what is the rigid helping material we are having here is plank and bully, right? So you cannot tie these two helping material with each other in a manner that they are making extension. However, you can put one over another in any manner you want. Clear?
Yes, sir.
And finally, the last rule, which is called as rule of infinity, which means start line and the finish line is to be imagined to be extended to your left and right till infinity, which means they are parallel to each other and do not meet each other. Basically, this rule has been made for the smart boys and girls like you, and you should not say, sir, obstacle is here, so we'll across the sideways and then we're gonna do it. Clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The one more additional thing you have to keep in mind is something called physical force. When I say physical force, it means you will not say like this, I'm going to take a plank and sit on and stand on top of it, balance it my own weight, or I'm going to hold a plank in my hand. Okay, now I'm standing on white, I'm holding a plank in my hand and everyone can walk on. No. I'm not checking for your arm strength, but I'm checking there is your mental. Right?
Yes, sir.
Clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
All we ever do that?
Yes, sir.
So other than this, now we're going to divide the group into two. Group 1 and 2 will come with me and 3 and 4 will go with the SM sir. They'll carry out the practice of individual objects. And meanwhile,
Okay, just one more thing. This is the exact word by word briefing which you will receive from the GTO in your actual SSB. ठीक है? Exact word by word. ठीक है, थोड़ा बहुत इंडिविजुअल बेस चेंजेस हो सकते हैं, बट देन ऑल दीज इंस्ट्रक्शंस मस्ट बी क्लियर टू यू. अगर इंग्लिश में कोई बैरियर है, कुछ है, तो अभी से समझ लो कि क्या बोला जा रहा है. देन ओनली यू विल बी मोर कॉन्फिडेंट व्हाइल एग्जीक्यूटिंग योर टास्क. गॉट माय पॉइंट? ओके, गुड.
तो अगर मैं आपका जस्ट एक रिवीजन कराऊं रूल्स का, व्हाट डज ग्रुप रूल सेज? turn around, look at this side. Suppose there is one obstacle here, right? जब तक आप इस obstacle को यहाँ से लेकर, ठीक है, वहाँ तक क्लियर ना कर लो. लाइक सब ये एक ऑब्स्टिकल है, ये स्टार्ट लाइन और फिनिश लाइन है. जब तक फिनिश लाइन पे आप अपना हेल्पिंग मेटल लोड लेके ना चले जाओ, आप उससे अगले वाले ऑब्स्टिकल को देखोगे भी नहीं, राइट? या वहाँ नहीं जाओगे. ऐसा नहीं होता है. कुछ लोग ने अपना इंडिविजुअल प्लानिंग कर लिया, वो आगे आगे निकल के आगे, और फिर सोचते हैं कि हम इतना आगे का प्लान करते हैं, बाकी ग्रुप आएगा. इट इज ए ग्रुप टास्क. क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
And you will find these obstacles are progressive in nature. It means the more you move ahead, you'll find they're more difficult. That's why this is, and it's a group task. That's why it's called as a progressive group task. Clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now second rule, when I say distance rule, color rule. Suppose a color rule है. So with the color rule, can you stand where I am standing? In the ground you cannot stand. Neither your helping metal nor the load. And same goes to the red. Can you stand on the red?
No, sir.
Your helping material? No. And the load? No. Ground है या red है? Rule is clear. Nothing can come. Anywhere it is white, all of you can come. Your helping metal can come, and your load can also come. ये भी simple है. Confusion comes to the blue part. So blue पे आप खड़े हो सकते हो? Yes. आप ब्लू पे खड़े हो सकते हो और कोई नहीं आएगा. ना तो आपका हेल्पिंग मटेरियल आएगा, ना लोड आएगा. ये क्लियर है? नाउ आते हैं डिस्टेंस रूल. डिस्टेंस रूल बोलते हैं कि 4 फीट से, अगर 4 फीट है या उससे ज़्यादा है, आपको हेल्पिंग मटेरियल की हेल्प से कुछ ना कुछ बनाना पड़ेगा, कोई स्ट्रक्चर. ऐसे नहीं कि आप सीधा जंप करके जा रहे हो. अभी यहाँ पे कैसे मेजर करने वाला आपकी 4 फीट है कि नहीं है? टेक ए नॉर्मल स्टेप लाइक दिस. अगर ऐसे स्टेप में कवर हो रहा है तो अज्यूम करो लेस देन 4 फीट है. बट जहाँ आपको थोड़ा जंप करना पड़े, उसको अज्यूम करना है कि वो 4 फीट से ज़्यादा है या 4 फीट है, तो वो आपको नहीं लेना है. वहाँ हेल्पिंग मटेरियल का आपको यूज़ करना है. क्लियर? नाउ रूल ऑफ रिजिडिटी. ओके, गेट द हेल्पिंग मटेरियल फ्रॉम बोर्ड पे लेके आना है. Only one plank, one bully and the rope. दौड़ के आना है. So when we say you cannot make an extension, what does it mean? चलो दिखाओ एक बार. उधर सारे लोगों को दिखना चाहिए.
So we can't tie them.
ये नीचे रखो. हाँ. अब देखो ये क्या है, आपको इधर से वहां पे जाना है, तो आप ऐसे बांध के एक लंबा नहीं बना सकते कि इतना बड़ा बन गया, अब इसको कहीं भी रख दो. यू कैन नॉट मेक लाइक दिस. हाँ, एक दूसरे के ऊपर रख सकते हो अगर आपको चाहिए. आप इनको अदर फॉर्म में, इफ यू थिंक इट इज नॉट मेकिंग एक्सटेंशन, यू कैन यूज द वे यू वांट. एंड फाइनली द रूल ऑफ इन्फिनिटी. इसका मतलब ये है कि आप ना जो भी रास्ता है, अगर ये ऑब्स्टिकल है तो इसी से आना है. ऐसे नहीं कि आप साइड से निकल के और ऐसे चल के आ गए कि ठीक है ये हमारा हो गया टास्क, इधर से नहीं आना, इधर से आ सकते हैं. वो नहीं कर सकते. क्लियर है? एनीवन एनी डाउट?
No, sir.
Now take this entire helping material at the start of this option. Put it down. So now just go back and we'll call one by one. So group 1 stand here. सब आप ग्रुप 2 और ग्रुप 3 को ले जाइए. ग्रुप 4 को सर लेके जाइए. So we'll carry out 2 tasks and let me see. For the time being, assume this is the load. ठीक है, take it there. यहाँ पे रखिए. So group 1 को will again divide into 2, right? So we'll do 1 to 8. Test number 1 to 8, please come. Pick up your load, pick up your helping material, right? This is the start line and that is the finish line. You can see this 2 golf-shaped structure, 2 inverted L-shaped structure, top is blue. This one the portion.
Yes, sir.
1 X-shaped structure and 1 pole which is white from inside and outside. But this portion is blue, this top.
Yes, sir.
And there are 4 poles which have protein on either side. This platform is blue, balance is blue. That is the finishing line, completely white in color. Any doubt? Your time starts now.
So gentlemen, I have an idea. Listen, gentlemen. So we can
This can be
put
the
the
most
fatta
best
like
way
this.
we can go.
Yes.
So here we can also
So
do-
gentlemen, make a extension over here from the rope.
We can tie
Make a loop. So make a loop here. So gentlemen, please.
First we can go
Yeah,
there,
yeah.
it's a blue platform and less than 4 feet we can directly move on this side. You can
Okay.
go in that side and then tie the rope.
Yes.
Tie in such a manner that it can go like this, literally.
Blue over here, right?
Yeah. Little bit upper.
Wait, wait,
upper
wait.
From this level.
Yeah. Now we can put the plank under it
And
Yes.
under this one.
and blow.
Wait,
But-
wait, wait. Yeah. It's stable.
Now-
So we can go.
Some can move. Oh. Just hold it.
Don't stand over it.
Wait, wait.
I grant you this idea. Idea is workable. And how many of you can move ahead?
Sir, all
Sir,
but except one.
Except one will be left on this track.
But now as it has fallen down, assume it has totally fallen down and shift to other where and do what will do.
So gentlemen, tie the rope here.
Tie the rope here and direct bridge from there.
No, no. Tie the rope here. Tie the rope here.
And direct bridging from there.
Make the put the plank like
But-
here.
No, gentlemen. No, gentlemen. It is not a workable idea. We should tie the rope here and put the fatta from here, and we can
Yes.
step the edge
We
here.
can use the balli.
No.
Like we
Gentlemen,
can-
yes, you are correct, but in that case we can use the bully block plus this.
See,
But it will not be much stable.
We can,
It
No,
will
no,
be
no.
stable.
Wait,
we can use this balli. We can put it here and we
We'll
can
put it
tie
here.
the rope here.
We'll tie the rope this side, and then we'll put plank under this. It will be stuck with this, and then we can move
Then
further.
we can move forward and one will be
Alright,
left
gentlemen.
here.
But less of the resources will
But
be
we
used.
have only two ropes.
But we have
so
all resources, we can use
But
it.
We can
we
tie
have
a
only
rope
two
here.
ropes. That's why we
Put the
cannot
fatta
put this
here
thing
and-
because we have to tie a rope here and it will touch the blue part.
No, we
If
don't
we
have.
are putting the plank balli under it and
We
tying
don't
it,
have
then it
to
will
tie the
touch
rope.
blue. So
Yes.
instead of this, we can tie directly
Let's
rope
first tie the
here
rope
and
here.
then pass through.
That's what I'm saying. That we should tie the rope
Wait,
here
wait.
and put the fatta like this, and the end should be stuck here.
Okay, let's continue. This one only. Let's first execute it.
Okay,
What
okay,
else?
we will try it.
It is not. Yes, we can put balli over it. We can put fatta over it and we can put balli below.
Give it to me. What is?
Wait a minute.
नहीं यार ऐसे.
You can tie it over.
Your time is running fast and you stuck totally obstacle number 1.
We can put fatta over this and we can put balli below it. Wait. We can also. No. We can use
But
the.
it is so
Put the
elevated.
balli here.
Wait, from
Yes, we
from
can,
the bottom. Wait.
You
Yes.
get back.
No. It is a blue. Put the.
I think gentlemen we should loosen
No, but
this
it
more.
is too elevated. See
We
there.
can loosen this more.
We can loosen
Yes,
this
we can-
rope to make it more down.
So we can make loop like this. Then we can put this thing, na, plank here. We can make a loop under
yes,
it.
we can loosen this loop. Loop is made.
So we have to
Yes,
use
yes.
another rope also
Yes,
because it
correct.
is
We have
small
to lose
only.
the rope so that
No.
it can go more down.
So that's why I'm saying, na, but this is a small rope, so we need this rope also to make a long
Make a
loop.
support. Yes, we
Wait.
can.
I think we should untie it.
Okay, hold the balli. Untie the rope. Please untie the rope. We will do by tying the rope and making it like this. Then we can put the plank under it and it will look like this slant and there is the balli which will make it stable.
You should directly bridge from building from there.
Alright, gentlemen. What is
But
your idea?
it is white in color, blue in color. We cannot.
The idea is same, just we have to make
We
it
can
more,
put-
little bit
we can
less
put the-
elevated,
we can
so
put
that the
the-
idea, the plank can
make
be
a
straight.
straight here.
Yes,
We will
gentlemen.
put plank over it. It will be inclined that this
tie the
direction
rope.
and it will be upward here. Then we put
No, I
a balli
think
here and it will
balli
make
will cover
stable
it.
and we can go through it.
So we need to
Why
tie the
we
rope.
cannot be direct bridge
The same manner,
from
it
there?
is
Tie the rope,
but
but
little bit
the
loose
same
and
way-
less elevated.
The same way you have tied before, but you have to just loosen it a bit.
Loosen it, yes.
Alright, gentlemen.
Just to make it a bit lower.
How you can breathing from directly from Bali from there to there? We
So
can make
gentlemen,
it-
we cannot make it like that.
But that is a
Not
blue in
right.
color, so where we can put Balli or
we can put over that cross structure.
Middle.
Over. Yeah.
I don't think it would reach.
but how will it will reach there directly?
I think Bali is reachable there. We should try.
Okay, we will try.
In next 1 minute, if
No,
you're
no,
not
it is
able
not
to
this
move
is
ahead,
it.
then I'm gonna hand over this to half of the next half.
No, sir. Just put it under this.
But wait, first we will put the plank, then I will put
Hey,
it.
wait. Sorry. No, this is good. It could work.
So like, if even I grant to this idea, how many of you can move ahead with this?
So three. All of us except
three
one.
only.
Except one basically, but space is less.
So, sir,
So like grant to the, on any, how many of can you stand there?
so three.
Okay, any 3 of you just move ahead and stand there.
Which one this?
And tell me how you move first.
So
First, how
we
you
will put
move ahead
plank
and
under
then-
it, and
Move
over
further
this
or bring the
platform.
करके दिखाओ
person from there.
Move
आपको पहले आगे का दिखाओ, जगह बनाना आगे निकलने का, then we'll untie the rope.
You can easily put the patta here and make a.
And put it over it. I think it is blue.
I think Fatta can go down.
It is blue in color, so we have to see something else. Blue in color, so what we can do?
You can put
No, we can
under the
remove
clothes and we can use that.
What did I tell you about this regarding the ring?
So the ring
can put
upper
the
part is
body over the
blue
ring.
and inside and outside it's white.
Are you can put the
Wait,
plank
wait.
under this clothes.
And we can tie rope around it and make it like this.
Put the plank over the hole.
But it is blue in color, so this is blue. This is blue. That's why we are not
Not
putting
blue.
it. It is blue. It is. We are simply giving it. Sir.
Let's put the Bali inside
Sir.
the hole and
No, but I don't think so. Be putting Balli because if it fall down under, it is cheaper than.
How do you
Jai, what did I tell you? Can you take, help you do whatever you want? Can you take like this? कि जो मन में करे वो मंगा लो कहीं से भी कुछ भी करके चले जाओ.
No, sir.
आपको जो रिसोर्सेज मिला उसी में आपको आगे जाना है.
Yes, sir.
और दूसरी बात, एक बार टास्क स्टार्ट हो गया तो यू कैन नॉट आस्क एनी डाउट फ्रॉम द जीटीओ. स्टार्टिंग ब्रीफिंग में बोला था, अगर आपको कुछ भी पूछना है अभी पूछिए. उसके बाद अगर डाउट आता है तो किससे पूछोगे? आपस में पूछो. क्लियर है ये?
Okay.
Okay. Let's put the Bali inside that hole and
But Balli inside this, okay. Then
And put the plank like
tie up a rope around the Bali and make something that can
But
hold the
if
plank.
it's so much deep, then how it is possible?
like
Wait. What we can do? Listen, gentlemen. Okay.
So if anyone of you think has some kind of idea, can exchange the positions.
Yeah, एक idea मेरे को यार. No, but I also think so. We can tie a rope around it, and it will hold like this in this position. It is not workable.
it is big enough to hold this.
अरे अंदर चली जाएगी, पकड़ के रखो उसे, पकड़ के रखो ध्यान से. डाल जान देना.
वही तो चाहिए.
अब now एक रस्सी बांध देंगे इसके along. So that similar we can do with this also. We can tie rope directly.
These gentlemen, listen to me.
This, and this is more than 4 feet. We can don't jump from here. But gentlemen, this is more than 4 feet jumping from here.
We can tie a rope here, buddy.
Where?
Here, in this cross, we can tie this Balli. The Balli ki Fatta. We can tie this
So
Fatta
instead
with
of tying rope,
the
here we
cross.
can tie directly here. So it will be similar to it as you are saying, and it will not fall down. As you are saying, we can tie here also. But okay, you are saying that we will tie rope here, and it will be put like here. No, you are saying we can tie a rope here.
not workable idea,
And if we put our leg here, then it will go upward, and there is nothing to make it stable. But if it is below, and we will tie a rope around it. Below it, then it will be upward, and if you go there, then it does not fall down. Okay, first take out the Balli. You have to go further north. You have to follow people on the back. Yes, that's why we can try this also by tying this.
The gator told us make up the format.
Yes, but so once we can also try the rope method, which I am saying. Okay, pass the rope. But But just it is more elevated. See here.
Not elevated.
It is more than 4 feet.
Anyway, we have to cross it.
See, just see, it is more than 4 feet. We directly cannot jump from here. It is diagonally more than 4 feet, but horizontally, if you see, it's not more than 4 feet. So what we are covering the distance.
Horizontally matters,
No,
vertically it
it's
doesn't
the horizontal, not the diagonal. It's the horizontal level.
Vertically does not affect, horizontally affect.
Sir, I said the distance should not more than 4 feet. So it is distance is horizontal, vertical. Every distance is same.
We are not here to jump.
Yeah. So we cannot make like this. It is more than 4 feet. That's what I'm saying. So any other idea?
We just put it under that cover, those depressions, and we tie a rope around it.
So that thing I am saying so many times.
That's my idea too.
No, we can try this also once.
What I think,
Once
the patta will go down.
Patta will go down. Let's try.
First try.
Tie a rope to give it support. Just a try.
If we make them,
In a lock, we will make it in a lock position.
we can try it also. So we are not finding.
आपने थोड़ा हट जाओ ताकि दिखता रहना चाहिए कि व्हाट आर यू डूइंग साइड हो जाओ आराम से ओके आई जस्ट ग्रांट टू दिस लीव इट एंड यू कैन स्टैंड ऑन द ग्राउंड बट योर लोड शुड नॉट बी ऑन द ग्राउंड
Try this also. Try to rope one on another because it will make it like this also. So you are making this. Wait. You can please hold it.
We can put it on the ground.
No. Cannot be put on the ground.
What do you want to do by this? What do you want to
Sir,
achieve?
we can make a round, means upward round when we put the plank under it and it will hold. We are trying.
क्या होल्ड करेगा मतलब
So the plank, we are,
उससे क्या होगा वो वैसे भी ब्लू कैसे अवॉइड कर पाएगा
sir, because blue is upward and we
We
are
are not
putting the
putting
plank
it
here
over the
side
pole.
by
मुझे
side.
लगता है कि प्लैंक इतने उस पर रुक जाएगा और वो राउंड है वो उस पर स्लाइड नहीं होगा
Sir, but just we are trying for it. As we are
ट्राई
trying.
करोगे कुछ वहाँ में लगा ट्राइंग करोगे ना ऐसे उठे ट्राई नहीं होता
Sir,
जो जम्मू वाला वो concept है वो horizontal है या फिर diagonal?
एवरीवेयर
Yes, this idea can work. Tie one rope there and one rope
Gentlemen,
to support it.
जनरल तो सबसे बड़ी जो बच्चे गलती करते हैं वो ये करते हैं हाँ अपने रिसोर्सेज ना जानने के इफ यू नो योर रिसोर्सेज इट इजी टू डू दिस
we can do this. We can tie it from.
हाउ सिंपल इट इज
Sir, but
Sir, वो जो tried it before.
सो इसको अगर रिड्यूस करना है तो कैसे करोगे
It can't
Sir,
be
we can tie a rope from here and make like this.
यस एंड वेयर टू टाई द रोप
Sir, from here.
या अंडर द रोप एंड देन यू मेक इट इट्स अ सिंपल आइडिया पर देखो आप लोगों ने इतना कॉम्प्लिकेट कर सबका दिमाग उस कॉम्प्लिकेशन में चल रहा है
No, sir,
Got
I have
this?
given this idea before also.
But we have
They
tried
said
it
that
now, but
this
it is
is
not
more than
possible.
4 feet.
Because
अरे आप लोगों के लिए भी है लेकिन सुनो लिसन आइडिया सबको आता है प्रॉब्लम क्या है लाइक द वे ही इज सेइंग आई गिव दिस आइडिया अर्लियर आल्सो नो वन लिसन टू इट आई टोल्ड इन द मॉर्निंग क्लास इज वेल ये उस बच्चे का जिम्मेदारी होता है कि आप अपना कम्युनिकेशन कैसे बता सकते ऐसे नहीं कि आप कुछ भी बोल रहे हो और नहीं समझ में आया तो क्या होगा अभी आप यहाँ पे कुछ फंक्शन में तो आए नहीं हुए कि पार्टी में हैं आप चीफ गेस्ट हैं आपकी बात नहीं मानी तो आप नाराज होकर इधर बैठ जाओ देन यू हैव टू कीप ऑन ट्राइंग एंड टेल देम क्लियरली कि दिस वी कैन डू इट इज अ मच वर्क बट वही कई बार क्या होता है आइडिया आता है कि सुनते नहीं तो ग्रुप में कौन किसको सुनते हैं हाउ इज अंडरस्टैंड नाउ
Yes, sir.
लेट मी सी हाउ अदर ग्रुप डू दिस कीप इट बैक गो बैक कीप इट
And sir, one thing, if in SSB the hole is coming and we put bali and it will go inside it and
You will never go inside the hole.
okay.
Balli will go inside. तो कैसा होगा?
Means the bali goes inside the hole and we are not able to take it out, then it is problem or not? Means sir bali अंदर ही चली गई पूरी इसके अंदर तो फिर अगर चेंज
यहाँ
बड़ा
पे बेवकूफ नहीं है कि ऐसे तुम आगे देगा कि बल्ली नहीं आएगी।
मुझे लगा सर ऐसा छेद हो जाए
ट्राई किया तुमने देखा ही नहीं वो ट्राई करके इसलिए बोलते हो वापस जाओ गो बैक ऑल ऑफ यू कीप द हेल्पिंग मेटल एंड द लोड एट द स्टार्ट लाइन let the another group come, and this time they don't have balli. Instead of balli,
Guys don't have balli.